If you're running a WordPress site, you know the goal, right? You create amazing content, and you want to turn that content into revenue. But getting ads up and running, especially with something as powerful as Google Ad Manager, can feel, well, like a huge technical nightmare. So what if we could just get rid of that whole problem? Let's dive in. Does this sound familiar? You're ready to start making money, but suddenly you're looking at a mountain of complex ad tags, custom code you have to write, and hours, literally hours of troubleshooting. Google Ad Manager is amazing, it's super powerful, but all that power comes with a really steep learning curve. It feels like you need to be a developer just to put a simple banner ad on your site. And for most creators, that's a total deal breaker. But what if there was a way to just skip all of that, to get all the power without any of the pain? Well, that's exactly what we're going to look at today. We're going to walk through a tool that's built to plug your WordPress site right into Google Ad Manager without you ever having to look at a single line of code. And here it is, the core promise, laid out right on the homepage. Go live with ads, zero code required, and a 5-minute setup time. Now, those are some pretty bold claims, right? So let's actually put that 5-minute setup to the test and see how it really works. All right, let's start the clock. We're going to go step by step through his whole process, from the moment you sign up to having a live connection. And we'll see if it's really as quick and easy as they say. So step 1 is about as simple as it gets. You don't have to create another username, another password you have to remember. You just use your Google account. It's one click, and it uses Google's own security, which means it's super fast and totally safe. And bam, the second you're logged in, the system just generates your license key for you. You don't have to wait for an email or go hunting through settings pages. It's just right there in your dashboard, ready to go. Next up, you've got to get the plugin. And just like before, it's a single click right there in the dashboard. The file downloads as a normal zip file, and if you've used WordPress at all, you know exactly what to do with that. Super simple. And now we're over in your WordPress dashboard. You just upload that zip file, click Install Now, and then Activate. This is the classic standard WordPress plugin install. It's something you've probably done 100 times, and it takes, 15 seconds? Okay, and this is the last and, honestly, the most magical step. Instead of copying and pasting API keys and network codes and all that stuff, you just click the Google Direct Connect button. You approve the connection, and that's it. You're done. Your WordPress site is now talking directly to your Google Ad Manager account. The whole setup is complete. Okay, so the setup is ridiculously fast, but what can you actually do with it? This is where it gets really fun. Because this isn't just about throwing up a few simple banner ads. This is about unlocking some really advanced, high-impact ad formats that are normally a huge pain to set up. And this just shows you the power perfectly. On the left, you see how simple the settings are for a 3D cube ad. You're just picking the size, the speed, the direction. And on the right, you see what you get, this really dynamic, really engaging ad that totally grabs your attention. You've just launched a super advanced ad format with a few clicks. Next up, another powerhouse format. The custom interstitial. You know these. They're the full-screen ads that pop up between pages. They are so effective at boosting your impressions and your revenue because for that one moment, they have 100% of the user's attention. And of course, we have to talk about video. Using the same simple point-and-click setup, you can start running video ads right inside your content. For anyone who's already doing video or just wants to tap into those much higher video CPMs, this is a total game changer. But it's not just about the flashy formats. This thing is packed with professional-level tools. You can do your normal display and sticky ads. You can A/B test different ad setups to see what earns you more money. You can use advanced targeting with key values, and you can even integrate header bidding. It's basically a full ad management suite right inside your WordPress dashboard. So now we get to the most important question of all. What does all this cool tech actually mean for your bank account? Let's connect these features to the real-world impact on your ad revenue, because that's what it's all about. Let's start with the big one, by turning on header bidding, which basically lets a bunch of different ad exchanges bid for your ad space all at once. Publishers can see a revenue lift of 30 to 50%. I mean, that is a huge increase, and this tool makes getting it set up actually doable. Remember those full-screen interstitial ads we just saw? Well, just by adding that one ad format to your site, you could see a 20 to 30% boost in your revenue. It's a perfect example of how using a smarter ad type directly leads to more cash. And finally, let's talk about a simple optimization. A feature like Smart Ad Refresh can boost your total ad impressions by cleverly refreshing the ads for people who are spending a long time on a single page. That one little tweak can lead to a 10 to 20% lift in your overall revenue. So when you put all these pieces together, the picture becomes incredibly clear. The entire point here is to tear down those technical walls so that you can use more sophisticated and way more profitable ad strategies. You know, this quote from their documentation pretty much says it all. It's about giving you a complete, all-in-one toolbox that completely removes coding from the monetization equation. So your whole journey just boils down to these 4 super simple steps. You install the plugin, you connect your account with a click, you build out the ad blocks that you want, and then you publish them and start earning. It just simplifies the entire workflow from start to finish. And that really brings us to the final question. We've seen just how much of the technical headache can be completely erased from the monetization process. So the real question isn't whether it's possible, it's, are you ready to simplify your own path to earning more?